I got a Kubota Wheel Spinner for my birthday. This video will show the unboxing and installation of this product. Kitty wants to be in the video too, but not today. Sorry, Kitty. This kit contains the spinner itself, 2 pairs of different length screws, an Allen wrench, and a rubber piece. I'll put an Amazon associate link in the description if you'd like to get one for yourself. I've got a different brand spinner on my mower. I use it all the time. I put it on the right, but I use my left hand to drive most of the time. I keep my right hand on the lever. I think on the new one, I want to put it on the left-hand side of the wheel. I really need this spinner to make turning the wheel a bit easier while operating the front end loader with my right hand. Now making sure my left hand will be able to go all the way around while holding the spinner. Just taking out the screws that came installed in the spinner. You can see there's 2 different length screws included. I ended up using the shorter ones. They seem to fit my steering wheel perfectly. And I didn't need the included rubber piece that was needed for certain size steering wheels. I got it put together upside down. Before tightening the screws, I flipped it over and got it where I wanted it. Then just get the screws all tightened up. Just getting an idea of how it works. Now let's take it for a ride.